Hey, what's up guys, this is Microsoft engineer from college, and in today's video we will make an alert box using JavaScript. So first of all, open your Visual Studio Code text editor. Now make a file, a random file, like I would make a alertbox.html, and then you have to write the doc type HTML, all the codes like this. HTML head. Now the title, like alert box. Now head tag has been closed. Now it's time for body tag. In the body tag I will write there button on click is equal to my function, and then do like this, and over I will write here click here. Now close the button tag, and after that I will use JavaScript tag, script, enter, and I will there write function, my function, and this, and over there I will write there alert, and do like this, then I will write there hello guys, and then do like this, and then save this work and click on Alt P or this right click on and click on open in default browser. So there's the button like alert box, and click here. I've clicked on this button, so you can see the page says hello guys. So thanks for watching this video. See you later.